Home remedies to remove acne marks from face. Everyone has at least a single scar in their body. No one can be without any scar, but it would be really annoying if the scar or acne appear in the naked areas. To remove or minimize the scar and acne, this scar remover is seriously the best thing to happen for home remedies to remove acne marks from face. You can use this happen for home remedies to remove acne marks from face for just 1 week and notice a hung difference in your skin. This happen for home remedies to remove acne marks from face. Use all natural ingredients and will get rid of acne scars, dark spots and even skin stains. Benefits of lemon for skin. Lemon constant of vitamin C found that may help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging and damage from the sun. It is certain that water content in the skin is highly essential. If your skin loses moisture, it becomes dry and prone to wrinkles. A study shows that a citrus-based drinking helped prevent the development of wrinkles in hairless mice. Benefit of honey for skin. Home remedies to remove acne marks from face. Consumption of raw honey is incredibly good for your skin due to its antibacterial property and skin-saving antioxidants. If you are concerned with getting a fully efficient and inexpensive solution or a powerful skin treatment, raw honey can help you regain your glow. Benefits of nutmeg for skin. Nutmeg is a seed and it comes from the same tree that makes mace. The ground nutmeg that you use while baking is being formed by the seed itself. It is said that in ancient Rome, Romans used nutmeg to fight a case of the owns. This popular spice is often used to treat inflammation from the joint pain and arthritis. Nutmeg is so legit that you shouldn't just to be using it on your sweet potato pie. You should be rubbing this seed all upon your face each morning. Benefits of cinnamon for skin. Cinnamon is a potent spice. Usage of cinnamon dates long back, at least for thousands of years, not just for its aroma, but for its powerful medicinal property as well. The most important property of cinnamon are that they are antioxidants. They fight free radicals which might cause diseases like cancer, diabetes, inflammatory arthritis, dementia, and even age-related macular degeneration. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tips.